fucking brutal. Sat bros because they lost my ticket earlier in the food truck. It's 1 in the morning, so hopefully tomorrow morning, hopefully they get me right in and right out of here. And any further, Illinois is the illegal state for adult drip-free zone here. And now I'm getting, I need some sleep. I should have slept all day. These roof things that are leaking up. So I got 5 hours. But since I am where I am, I run around and said the wheel bearing style as on how to do those. But it's the same style. I mean, like, I could have done this job in about an hour. And I should have done that. Here at 9, they took the message and then they called me back. So you say I can come there and you'll do it? Completely used up whatever was left of that bearing. I'm miserable, I'm tired, I'm sore.